everybody, welcome to our video on medical drawings. Here I have an example of a medical drawing for you. This is a patient's body front and back, and I've annotated it with yellow and pink dots. I can tell you from the key below here that the yellow dot represents a vesicle and the pink represents a macule. I also have some comments that I made on the drawing as well. Now let's show you how to do this. I'm going to close out this window and go to the OPD landing page. I have an area that says draw here. This draw here feature can be available in any template, any form, on any landing page that you would like. It's simply on request. On the right hand side of my screen, I can see the previous drawing that I did. In order to create a drawing, I will select this long rectangle and choose the body part that I want to draw on. This list is customized based on whether or not the patient is male or female. I'm going to choose body front and back male, but the image is kind of small. So there's a zoom button next to my rectangle that I can use to make the screen a bit bigger. Now I can work with this. I have a pink box and I have a green box. The pink box is my left mouse button color, where if I click on my left mouse button, I get that color. And the green box, if I click on my right mouse button, I get that color. But I usually just work with the left mouse button color because I can change it anyway. When I select the color, I have several options here for different colors that I can use, but I will stick with pink. I can make a dot with the color, or I can hold down my button and I can draw. If I want to erase anything I've done, I can do an undo, or I can do an X. Undo will only take off what I just did, and X will clear the entire drawing. However, I actually want to make my dot smaller. I can use this blue slider, draw it downwards to make my dot smaller, or I can draw it upwards to make my dot bigger. In this case, I've made it smaller, and we can see it's much more pinpoint. Now I've made a few dots along the body, and I want to delineate my vesicle with a different color. It's important for everybody to know what pink versus yellow means. So at the very bottom of my color menu, I see an item that says Edit Legend. When I select it, I can write beside each color what I want it to represent. So beside pink, I will write macule, and beside yellow, I will write vesicle. I will select OK and click Save. And that is how I completed my drawing. Now to recap, we spoke about the medical drawings feature and the fact that it can draw any body part. How you can get there is by selecting a draw here feature that is usually within your template. We talked about how you can select a body part, how you can draw on the body part, how you can pick the color that you want, and how you can actually label it so that people know what that color signifies. We also talked about how you could erase your drawing as well. Thank you so much for watching.